What's up, guys, and welcome back to the yard. We're back in the yard, you see, and I have got to dig my ladder up out of here. I gotta get my ladder out of here, guys, because we have to go back to the abandoned flip. Gotta go back to the abandoned flip, you see. Gotta go back there, and I gotta climb that roof once and for all, because every time it rains, it leaks into the house pretty badly, guys. So I have to go up there and handle business, you see. I gotta handle business. That means I gotta climb that roof. I hate to do it, but I have no choice. I don't think my dad is gonna be able to do this job, guys. So until I can find somebody to do it, I gotta go do what I can do. Yeah? I gotta go do what I can do, you see. Whoa. Okay, almost ripped my coat there. Almost ripped my coat there. I got a lot of stuff in here, guys. Lord, I don't even know if Big Christ can pull this thing. I don't know if Big Christ can pull this thing. Should be able to pull it, but I don't know. See my generator, my car, my, what do you call it? Whatever you call it, washer, to wash the car, oh Lord, so much stuff in here. But I think I got a lot of stuff in here I don't need as well. Yeah, I think I got a lot of stuff in here that I don't need as well. Lord, some of this stuff has to go. Some of this stuff has to go, guys. Of course, you know I need my welders. I need all my welders. I need my concrete cutter back there. Yeah, see it right there? That's my concrete cutter. I need that. I don't need that light. I don't think I need that at all. Let's see what else. My boxing gloves. I need those. I like to tap the mats, you know, the mitts a few times a month. I like to tap them, you feel me? Yeah. I don't need that, what do you call it, DJ little booth thing, turntable. I don't need that. I'm gonna have to get rid of that. Okay, let's see if we can get this ladder up out of here. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it up out of here. A lot of stuff I need, and a lot of stuff I don't need in here anymore. My RC, that's one of my best RC, that red one. I don't wanna damage that. Let me go up in here. Let's see what I can get. Let's see if I can move that. Do not want to damage this. This is one of my best old school RCs there. Yeah, that's one of the best ones, you see. They went out of business. Yeah, they went out of business. Got a lot of stuff in here. Let's get it out. Yeah. Don't mess my coat up. Jesus Christ. Lord. What's holding it? I can't hold it. This stupid cord. Okay. Now it should be easier, okay? It should be easier. And there you have it. Got it up out of here. Oh, God. Some of my old tools. They're not really old. Not really old tools. Just some of my tools. See? Nail gun, Craftsman. Let me throw this up here because I don't really need it right now. When we start working on that bandit flip a lot more, I will need it. But for right now, I don't need it. You see? I don't need it right now. I had to take my wheel up out of here, guys. Yeah, I had to take that up out of here. I can sit here and leave this back here, man. Yeah. It costs a lot of money. A lot of money. Let's get some of these roofing tacks. Well, I don't know if you call them tacks. Roofing nails for that nailer. Should need more than that. Nah, I shouldn't need more than that. But just be on the safe side. Just be on the safe side. Let's get 2 of them. Yeah. I think that's better, you see. Not gonna need to, but just in case, you might. So, let's put some of this crap back in here. Yeah, let's put some of this crap back in here, you see? They can stay there for right now. Yeah, they can stay there for right now. Soon, we're going to be taking these seats out of here. Yeah, we're going to be taking these out of here because once we get that dash in good and well, Then we're gonna have to take these seats up out of here. But I think I'm gonna have to pull that dash back out, guys. I'm gonna have to pull it back out because I think it's not in there correctly. Because I can't get the screws to fasten on the other side. So stay tuned for that, because we're gonna have to pull that dash back out. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it's not too bad, guys. Hopefully it's not too bad. But that is what we had to do right now. I had to pull my ladder up out of here, you see. I just took this out too, but didn't have to do that. But I did, you see, I did. Gotta lock it back up. We got homeless people walking all around here. I had a homeless person came out of the bushes on me. I literally had a homeless female crawl from up under this gate over here, guys. I had a homeless female crawl from under here somewhere back here. Literally crawl from up under there. I didn't know what it was. I thought a bear was coming out of there. It scared the bejesus out of me. She just been rubbing on her back like you crawling through a cave. She was on her back like she was crawling through a cave. I thought she was a big old animal. And then she came out, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, excuse me, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, excuse me. I said, okay. Now I just walked her to the front and then she left. Crawled through here like a big old animal. Crazy. I gotta clean this stuff up back here. I gotta move this, get this going. Well, not move it, gotta get it fixed. Gotta get it repaired. So guys, stay tuned, because we have to go to the abandoned flip. In the next video, we might be going to the abandoned flip, and I have to climb it. I have to climb it, you guys. I have to climb the abandoned flip. And I gotta patch that one spot over the living room. There's another spot over the bathroom. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's also leaking. The bathroom is also leaking, guys. And of course, you know that back room is already caved in, so what I think I'm gonna do with that, I think I'm just going to close it up, close that whole back area up, just close it off, and then turn that out to a little studio or something, you know? I might turn it out to a little studio, guys. Yes, that's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to close it off and turn it out to a studio, you see. So we might be doing that. When we go there, we might be cleaning that room, cleaning that back room, getting everything up out of there. And then we might climb the roof. Now, I want to climb the roof. I'll say I'm going to do it. But I ain't climbed the roof in over 20 years, guys. So I'm a little bit worried. Yeah? I'm a little bit worried, you see. So, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't fall off. I ain't did this in years, guys. But we'll see you there, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. The yard. Peace, everybody.